I'm Olivia Culpo, and I'm here to share with you a few of my favorite beauty travel tips. I know being on the road can be tough, so I have some tricks up my sleeve that will hopefully make it easier. Let's get started. First, I have almond oil, and you can obviously get this at any grocery store. It's so easy to find, and it has vitamin A and E, which is very good for lightening the skin. I like to use it under the eyes because it's both hydrating, but then will also get rid of dark circles, which we all know is more inevitable when you're traveling. My next tip is one of my absolute favorites. This is how I keep my eyebrows in place, and I use a hairspray with a mascara wand. And all you do is spray a little bit on the mascara wand. You want to do tiny, quick, short little movements. It's very easy, and it will keep them in place all day. My next tip for the perfect hair while traveling is my GHD Gold Styler. And it's great for straightening your hair, curling. You can get rid of flyaways. It's easy to pack. This is the perfect travel accessory. It's basically everything you need in one device.